I'm sitting on all my fucking crests and stuff.
Oh, dude, I already sent mine entirely.
Alright, boys, back to the
I'm
game
sitting
for
right now. I don't
20
know what I want to
minutes.
do.
First keep to
20
10.
minutes, he's back.
Easy, Betty, let's go.
All right,
Let's go.
we're gonna wait for this patrol.
All new to me here. Let's see. This looks like fun. What's the name of this dungeon called?
Operation Floodgates. Oh fuck! God damn it!
Somebody pulled.
I pulled.
Oh.
I'm a fucking idiot. Sorry, this is literally nothing because I'm fucking dumb.
Yeah, I don't have to shift to kick. This is so nice.
All right, now we can do this.
Ooh, this is like fun.
There's gonna be a lot of movement here, Teddy. That Shredder's gonna put a big saw blade on the ground. And he's gonna do a big frontal.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Gotta move
Laser
out.
on you, run to run.
Then he's gonna do a flamethrower.
About right.
And then this season's a fix. All you gotta do is walk into
Watch
someone's
your
orb.
step.
Walk into their orb.
Yep.
Whoa, something happened. Stay blind.
That's not you. That's me.
Oh, okay. I have an orb. I want my orb, or is that you me?
Frontal.
That's fine.
And then a flamethrower.
Chrono, okay. Yeah, pretty straightforward.
We get the bombs.
Should I get one too, or?
Nope. Just get out of the AoE.
Cool.
Then we're gonna jump down.
Yeah, baited. You gotta jump around or
Oh,
something.
can I meld this? I can't meld. How about guy? I mean, oh, sorry guys.
Oh, where is he? Where is he? I got him.
Laser on you,
Got him.
run.
Got you.
I'm rooted. I'm rooted. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Loader bot's coming in.
Stay blind. Sorry about that, guys.
Hunting everything.
Shift that damage.
I'm him. I'm him.
Doing some damage for my brothers.
We're coming in.
Yeah, I heard Art has like some cool kitty weave shit now.
Yeah. Even Boom can do a lot of Boom can healing. Oh, sorry, brother.
Ooh.
Is that a double cast, or is that just tick down?
I got meleeed.
Did you?
Yeah.
I had no bars change.
One of you guys.
Oh, it's the loader bots, Toby.
I have to be away from them or something.
Yep.
Whoops.
Oh, good.
Laser on you, run.
Fucking scaffolding got off.
I think I can shift all these roots. Oh, nice. Nah,
Yeah.
dude.
Yeah, I can disengage out of it. It just can be sketchy. Like I can
Oh, yeah.
ass pull so easily.
I guess you can just go bare farm, I guess, and remove the shit off you, which is nice too. Oh, careful, brother.
Oh my god, dude, really?
Let me res you. Let me res you. Oh, good.
You're good,
Fuck.
Toby. You're good.
So the lightning.
I tried to jump on the thing and I just undershot it. I was like, I have to repair. I was focusing more on my repair.
Very chilling.
All right, kind of a bigger pull here, but we're chilling.
Watch your step.
No bark?
Slappy hands and goes burr. Yeah, give me a bark.
Got it,
Frontal.
brother.
There's gonna be the inspectors are gonna like teleport around, Teddy. They'll be like behind you with a big purple frontal.
Okay, cool.
Just be
Watch your
cognizant.
step.
Oh, I see those cycles. Okay.
Hunting.
Invoking for damage. I get Starfall. Oh my god, I did it, boys. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay. Like my damage, boys? I've never been near my ride, brothers.
Bumping.
Yo, he's him.
Boys, there.
Scrabbling after any shred of
God, you Druids
I
are
need-
finally meta.
I need Patch in here, dude. My fucking eternal hype, man.
I know, yeah, I asked him the other day. He's like, yo, where the fuck is Storm, brother? Like, grinding for sure, brother. Come to me, buddy.
Alex
Put
is
your
just.
ball. Put your ball in my mouth. Oh!
Give me the balls. Give me the balls. Back up here, guys. Over here.
Over. Yeah, I'm gonna be pretty busy, but I should do a couple of keys with the brother there.
You get back when you can get back, Teddy.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I got
You know we'll
time.
take care of all your fucking dungeon ports, dude. You're good.
Yeah, brother.
Dude, oh my god, my 4 set feels so good.
Dude, my 2 set just feels good, dude. I've had like a billion fucking IBF procs just randomly.
I finally have wildfire bombs.
I just gotta send this on this guy. You can send something. I don't know what the pulls are. Yeah.
So
It's both.
there's gonna be
I'm gonna mad at
basically
drones, so
we just gotta do big cleave damage here, Teddy,
okay.
and then we gotta make sure the drones die because if she phases, she's gonna just pulse AOE damage
Okay.
with the shield up. So we kill drones, live through pulsing damage, and we're good.
That's a funnel. I like the way the funnels look. It looks a lot more cleaner now.
Oh, dude, it's so fucking nice now, dude.
Now we can properly blame people for these funnels. I think. Still sticks here. Some damage here first. Is it a boss?
Good job,
by the way?
guys. Yep, this is a boss. I'm gonna AMZ for you, Teddy.
Oh, thank you. Okay, I see what's going on.
When
This is the part that hurts.
when she finishes her channel, she's gonna put shit on the ground. So kind of be over here.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
Yep. So she puts crap on the ground, she summons more drones, and that's the entire fight, Teddy.
Oh, okay. So it's the barrier ability that does damage.
Yep.
Fair enough, fair enough. Straightforward. Very cool though.
It's actually a pretty good dungeon, dude, not gonna lie.
Oh, someone got clipped by it. Yeah, I got you.
Yo, that guy Ook is a fucking idiot, dude, don't mind him.
Me dumb, but me put damage on board.
Yeah, yeah. This. Orc.
Someone grab my balls.
Run out.
That is. I got someone targeting.
They move. Nah.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Oh yeah, that bounces
Sorry,
even.
Gotta kick that distortion. Shelly girl. Yeah, we go.
Okay, we're good.
I don't know how to get to the rest.
And, oh, we are fucking cruising for dudes, boys.
Cranking, clapping for the brothers, no hands. Oh my god. Crazy, brother.
I'm sitting on it. I'm sitting on it.
Let's
I'm spinning him.
go.
I'm spinning him. I'm spinning him.
Move the brothers. That wasn't bad. I don't think you get another one. Like, damn, he's looking. Yeah. I'm taking a big damn key here. We have a. He doesn't have a sentence there.
Yes.
We might do one more. So I do have to learn for the guy. Oh, I see how that works. Okay, okay. I see you.
I think we might get another one.
Somebody want my ball? Thank you. Yeah, it looks like what, 5 seconds? Yeah, we might get it.
Yep.
Okay, all 3 Hadas. Go like this. 60 seconds. So chilling here.
Are we chilling? We got kill barrier in 5. Focus drone.
Oh, I did it too soon.
We're good. We're fucking chilling. Aim Z to be safe.
Yeah, both of them.
Grabbing 2 Jerry's.
Love it.
You know how it is. That's a cool boss fight.
It's actually yes. And she is dead.
Straightforward.
All right, there's gonna be a channel from this blood warper that's gonna do wide AOE damage.
Oh, on this mob here? Oh, I
This
see.
right here, warp blood. Yep, this one coming right now.
Oh, I see. Okay. Alright, we did it. That does hurt though. Just calling you.
Yeah, it hurts a little
All
bit.
of you. Feed on the void.
Cast on you.
Let its
Gruntle.
darkness
Oh, I got blue. Huh?
Yeah, those guys will like pour behind you and do that frontal bullshit. pot for that lily.
Gruntle.
Alright. Follow.
Gruntle.
Dude, these fucking porting pieces of shit.
You guys don't feel that? Yeah, about that port game?
Dude, they're just like, they're just little cucks. Alright, we need these.
They're blasting.
We're grabbing these loader bots, so be careful, boys.
Cool.
Need these idiots.
You want bark?
Give me a bark.
Ew, nah.
Oh!
I'm gonna vortex because this guy is trying to jump on my face. That's cool, you brothers.
Running.
Yeah, nice.
My pet died to the windup. Casting
Hilarious.
Pet. Walk off.
Random IVF proc, let's go. Blazing.
It's gonna-
They're immune to glaze.
Star falling? Still star falling? Star
My pet died.
falling. And star falling.
Poppin'.
Same thing, Teddy. There's another blood warper here.
Okay, so I'll prep some stuff here.
There's gonna be big AoE circles here too.
Watch your step.
Oh, yeah. Cool. Oh, you got one shot? And then you res into the pulsing damage like a crazy man?
Oh,
This guy's out of his mind, right? Can't believe we just did
Watch your step.
I got meleeed.
I didn't have all the threat.
MD'd. What the fuck?
Really?
My MD's on cooldown. What the hell is this game?
Let me heal your pet. Oh, your pet's dead.
I'm dead. I'm running back.
Watch your step.
God, warp blood doesn't go across the fucking.
Oh, I live!
Chicken, baby, chicken. That's a little nutty.
Yeah, these guys fucking hurt.
Yeah, it absorbs healing too,
Yeah.
on top of doing damage.
Let's go.
Yeah.
We'll be okay.
Res worth?
I'm dead here though. I'm fucking dead. Oh, maybe.
In the void. Let its darkness.
You don't know how I play.
Watch your step.
We live!
I got my solo shuffle queue. I'll be back in 20 minutes.
That was funny. Okay. Can I see this stuff? Like jump into some
Go to the-
thing?
Go to the target. You'll see a big target over there.
Oh, I
Sorry,
see.
someone
No, it's okay, yeah.
just called my phone. Some fucking spam idiot.
Feel like that.
We did not get the kelp. We're fine.
Oh yeah, I'm supposed to dismiss my pet, aren't I?
Well, there's gonna be a way that we can actually get the kelp, Ook. Because like the 4 and 4 was pretty dope.
Let's see if it's a-
Who's
He wants you
tagging?
to go. He wants you to go.
Oh.
He's got ascendance.
Well, we got.
Shaman's gonna blast here. Oh, I'm dead.
Give you up. Something had
I got, I got rooted in some bullshit.
Gotcha.
Season hates melee, man.
Oh, you want better man? Is it worth it?
I'd like them all.
No, not now.
Not now.
Should've just sent it. My bad.
I need to run like.
Yeah.
I need to run my fucking freedom pet in this dungeon. I swear.
Feed on the void.
Please get the scaffolding.
Let its darkness
Oh.
fill you.
Straightforward.
This is gonna be double shredder. So God damn it.
This guy? What's he jumping here for?
Fucking
Design a scaffolding. Build a scaffolding mid-combat. Fucking playing Fortnite in the middle of the game, bro.
Resin. Oh, someone else has it? That was me. Oh, you are. Okay. So power step, thank you.
Maybe it'll go. Did it work?
It did not.
Okay. All right. Be real careful this pole, boys.
Also,
Give me a bark if you have it.
Watch your step.
Watch your feet. Shredders.
Yeah, it's gonna be double shredders.
Whoa, okay.
Double flamethrowers.
Gruntle.
Oh no. Oh, it goes in a
And
circle.
This I will get. This I will.
I'll wait for this to
Watch
save.
your step.
Should be okay.
You get.
Keep moving, keep moving.
Watch your step.
Move, move.
this is like one of the hardest pulls in the dungeon.
Gruntle. Gruntle.
Flamethrower?
Can we outrange this fire thing? I feel like we
Yes, you can.
can.
I'll
The
grab the
FX.
boys' balls.
Watch your step.
What does the balls do? Is that the
Doublets?
apex?
It's,
Mastery
yeah,
and
it's
Leech and mastery.
Oh, very cool.
Watch your step.
Watch feet.
Yoink.
Oh my god, just shredded my booty hole. That's crazy.
Gruntle.
Dude,
I'm recording that.
flamethrower?
This is the boss with the
Gruntle.
delayed cleanse, so just watch where it'll have a big zone around them, and
no one's
they're
around?
gonna we're gonna be moving to bombs to and then cleanse, and then the other mechanic is you're gonna get targeted with a charge, and you need to line it up with bombs. And between those two mechanics, we need to clear all the bombs.
Gruntle.
It's actually really chill.
You'll see it. It's pretty easy. But the dispel is gonna do some damage to the guy, so make sure they're top.
Also get fixated and have to run behind one of these orbs and
Alright,
pull
running.
the boss.
Shred of
You can cleanse now. And now
Oh.
I'm lining up the charge.
Target you.
It's on me.
Try to line it up with one of the bombs. This one. We gotta get the one in the back.
You got them both. Nice.
Don't get me yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Wait, coming one?
No, it's
Okay,
on,
get
it's on.
me. Go ahead and get me. Did we get it there? Oh shit.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. The charge got it both. Got them both.
Okay, nice.
Focus Bront a little more.
These are all nicely stacked.
Is it safe for the shaman? I can install now?
Target you.
Yeah, do it, do it, do it.
Yeah, you do it.
I put him in like the best place possible.
Gruntle.
Oh, I
He's
couldn't
gonna
make the
get
last
there.
one. We're gonna have
Yeah,
big
we're gonna
damage
need-
here, Teddy.
I'm going.
Oh,
no,
no,
dispel me now. Dispel me now. Nice.
Focus Bront.
Gruntle.
Medium ball in there.
Can get me. Get me.
Target
Inside bot as well.
Gruntle.
Good bomb. So do you want him to charge into the bomb? That's how that works?
Yep.
I see.
As many as possible.
Gotcha, gotcha. And then the person who gets dispelled also destroys the bombs.
Exactly.
Okay.
Dispel now.
Yeah, now I see what happens. It's safe. Thank you.
Gruntle.
A little more love on Bront. We should be fine though.
Blasting Bront right here.
We can just focus.
Target you.
Just kill. Just kill. You can insta dispel. Just kill.
Someone get the weapons cache. I'm gonna get the thing.
Getting balls too.
That was a cool boss fight.
That's actually like one of the better ones.
Yeah, really creative actually. Lots
Come
of
on.
cool.
Oh, did we already get the thing for the stuff?
Yeah, we shot it.
Okay.
Alright, for
It's
this
gonna
boss,
be-
we're gonna
we gotta get-
stack, and you're gonna get tethered to one other person. We're all gonna stack and just shimmy left. And then there's gonna be water waves that come out, that spawn, and we're gonna move to like a generally safe area. And there's gonna be a bunch of waves that come out, and you're still gonna be tethered to somebody. So just stay close to everybody and dodge the shit on the ground.
Yep.
Fair enough.
Just all we're gonna do is just go left.
Yep. Just stack and move left. But as that water is coming out and we're moving, we're all gonna take a lot of damage.
Gotcha.
Blow it all up here. Up, up, up. Up, up.
This is a kind of a scary
He's-
pull here, Teddy.
He's got ascendance. Shaman's gonna melt this shit.
neutralize us. Juicy.
Yeah, knock up from the
Feed
done. We've got
all
it.
of you. Feed on
Yep,
the
beautiful. Sexy.
dark.
Shaman said.
Fill you.
Shaman got him both.
Shaman said no. I'm gonna pull the boss like back a little bit, Duke, just so we have a little more room in the backside.
Oh,
Go left.
I wonder how many people have ass pulled from that. Right there.
Well, I kind of like clearing the divers, so that shit doesn't happen.
Stack. Line. Gather.
Oh, it does A.
Watch your step.
Left.
Left.
Stay with your chain target.
Stay with the brothers.
Watch your step.
And now
We're
we're
gonna
gonna
go
get
here.
away from the water. There's gonna be
Yep,
waves
shimmy,
that
shimmy,
come out,
shimmy,
and we're all
shimmy.
gonna take damn.
We just didn't pop his wall.
Stack.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Line. Gather.
We're all tethered.
Watch your step.
We're going left.
You have to pop your wall. Kind of just have to pop your shit on the waves.
It's unlivable.
Watch your step.
Go left. Big left, big left, big left, big left.
Yeah. Feed all of you. Feed on the void.
Gamers,
Stand.
gamers.
Let its darkness fill you.
Line. Gather. Watch your step.
We're trying to get the orbs with this.
Watch your step.
Be safe.
This is gonna be sketch as fuck. I'm turtling. So big.
Stack.
One coming through. One coming through. Stack up.
Line. Gather. Watch your step. Watch your step.
Go
Go
right.
right.
Go right.
Right.
Oh, the classic. Fuck.
Mortals.
We got that res or no?
Scrap after any shred of control.
Watch your step.
Left.
His corpse gets an
Watch
orb
your
too.
It does. Go left.
Big left. Big left.
Big left, big left. Personals.
Stack.
Oh, I'm coming through late.
Nice call, Toby. Thank you.
Line. Gather. Watch your step.
I have pot here.
Should be okay if it does.
Watch your step.
Left.
Gooch left.
Nothing. It's a health pot. Shit.
Through boss, through boss.
Line. Gather.
Yes.
Watch your step.
All of you. Feed on the void. Let its darkness fill you.
Nuke it.
Watch your step.
Scooch
One
left.
last wall. 6.
Beautiful done. Nicely done.
That's the hardest part of the key.
Yep.
That was crazy.
He can release. He can release.
So-
Release.
oh,
Release.
it's
Release.
not
Release. Right.
amazing. It's all good.
Yeah, that damage is crazy.
Yeah, so it's pulsing damage and the base the whole time.
And you gotta
And
move.
then
Yeah.
you have to move, and then you also get the extra damage when the waves come out.
So this fucking fish idiot,
Very cool.
he's gonna put bubbles on the floor so we can stack up.
Back
and he's
for
gonna-
this and bait the bubbles. Yeah, that was good.
Yep.
That was
So we'll go over here. He's gonna do a frontal cone. He's gonna pulse AoE damage.
Yeah, we're all gonna get a dot. This is gonna pump everyone.
We're gonna stack for the bubbles.
Watch your step. Gruntle.
The bubbles like move too.
AOE incoming.
There's the medium section.
I turtle this. Beautiful.
Yes.
People said Trank would have no value this season.
All
Had to
of
buy
you.
it.
Watch your step.
They just don't know,
They changed
dude.
it to such a quicker cooldown. It's nice, and it also
Gruntle.
reduces the cooldown of other things.
AOE incoming.
This guy's gonna die for sure. Yeah. I can't keep this
Did he
shot.
die with a wall up? No, he did.
Watch your
It
step.
wasn't his fault there.
Did he have a health bot?
Gruntle.
Does have a help bot up.
He does have a health bot up.
Yep.
I mean, he could also surge himself and stuff, but it's okay.
I won't flame him too bad.
He got health pod, but it's okay. It's all good. I would still blame it on myself. I'm
No, no,
still
no, no.
learning.
We flame those people, Teddy.
Yeah, I just dispelled this. Okay, yeah. Dispelled that dot right away. I don't have to hold back on this. The shaman is still
Not at
squishy.
all.
That hasn't changed this season. I see you.
Gruntle.
Just
Mortals. Scrabbling
Gruntle.
after any
how are
shred
you
of
base doing this match?
We're not S tier, but we're A tier. This is still timeable, boys.
Gruntle.
Cool. Is the last? I got a drink. Is the last boss as crazy as this one?
No, it's not
No.
bad at all.
Last boss is a vibe.
Might need to pull some shit into it though to just go for glory, but we'll see.
No, that's like impossible, dude.
What, what, 3 minutes for the boss, would you say? Something like that?
Yeah, I'd say 3 minutes.
Reasonable time?
Gruntle.
I lost.
He's got it. Okay.
Gruntle.
Lots of pulsing damage here, Teddy. And
Watch your
floor
step.
circles.
Arc medium.
Watch your step.
Right away.
Gruntle.
Okay. I actually been out in front of. This is a
Gruntle.
crazy moving fight. This is fun.
all of you.
I've,
Feed
like,
on the void.
We were struggling with this for a couple days, week 1, but like we got it down now.
Doing it all for the
Just
first
these
time, brother.
fucking
Watch your
jump
step.
starters fucking hurt.
Fuck me, man. I got greedy. God damn it.
What do you think?
Yeah, I was just one more trying to get one more casting because I know that the timing is important, of course, and I fucking.
No, I think it's dead now.
Watch your
Yeah.
step.
I don't know. We have
I-
lost.
I can't
We'll
pull those
see.
two. Those
I know,
two in.
I know. We have to kill him. We'll need to absolutely pump the shit out of this boss, but yeah.
God damn it.
He's casting res, I'll drink.
But yeah, we die pulling these in.
These guys hurt too much? Like tank buffs there?
Yeah,
This
it's
is
just the pulsing damage
Oh my
and
gosh.
and the floor denial.
Watch your step. Watch
it's
your
like double the damage of what you just did last pack. Because there's 2 of them.
I see,
Watch your step.
Stay like this.
Watch your step.
Actually, that's great.
Watch your step. Watch your step.
Oh,
Hey, what?
Scrabbling after any
Watch your
Spark
step.
Slam? I was not in that.
I think Spark Slam is just the AOE,
Watch your
dude.
step.
No, because I took
yeah, something.
4 mil.
I don't know what it was, but
Watch your step.
I think it does the pulsing damage and puts circles on the
Watch
floor,
your
Duke.
step.
Yeah, but I was not in a circle. I don't know. That was.
Good.
Try to clip.
I have it recorded. I can check out there if you want.
Watch your step.
I'd love to see that, because I did not think I was in a fucking...
Yeah, because you had like half health and something clipped you. I don't think it was just the ticking
Yeah,
damage, but
it was not the tick. I definitely... It must have been a circle,
Watch your
but
step.
we'll see. It's
I
all
really
good.
did not think I was in one.
Not a biggies. Yeah, that's dicey as well to heal him.
Look at this, Rose.
This, you're gonna get a spark that follows you, and you need to move it, kite it into a pool of water.
Into a pool of
That's
water.
about it.
Okay. So kite, maybe we get targeted out into water.
Yep.
Okay. Let's go.
And then if you get a circle, don't, like, move out from
AoE
everybody else,
incoming.
but don't let it be
Stay
on
away from
water,
lines.
or else you'll ruin that water pool, if that makes sense. I'll call it out when it happens. So here's our water pools. Now, one person is gonna get like a single mechanic at some point here to get hit with, and if,
Defensive.
yeah, don't clip that. Don't clip the water with those, or else you'll turn it into lightning, and we can't kite the orbs later into it.
So we're going from this.
You're gonna run it behind one of the puddles to defuse it.
Oh god.
Oh, I see whoever's gone. Okay.
There you go.
AoE incoming. Stay away from lines.
Your failure sustains me. Mortals, scrubbing after any shred of control.
Oh, what happened?
It's a debuff you get after that hits. It's a nasty tip.
That just numbing him.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry, Stonks. I took that
Stop
one.
griefing. Oh, I'm fucking stunned.
We got Bart. Oh, so that.
Defensive.
So we don't have arrows.
You guys can't grief my puddle.
Yeah.
We can reset it and use us again, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Sir.
Yeah, if I get stunned in a puddle and I take a tank buster, I can't even mitigate.
How do you get stunned? What stuns you?
So if your fixated spark
Walks through somebody?
walks through a puddle and you're in it, it's gonna fucking stun you.
Oh, I see. So you have to make sure the puddle it's going to is not someone else
Yep.
isn't close to it. Okay. Does the puddle do damage while you're near it, or?
I think it's like minor ticking damage. The
Yeah, because
water
I ran
pool.
through mine. I didn't really see anything crazy.
I don't
but-
think it does damage.
Yeah. Is there a person to reset? Must be me off here.
Should be right around the corner.
It's in the boss room.
Oh, thank you. Alright, let me get you somebody else's here. Where is it? This is the underneath.
You dare question me?
AoE incoming. Stay away from lines.
You don't think he has lust?
Oh yeah, there's
I can
Yeah, I
swap
took
my
that.
pet.
Okay.
I just got. Give me a second.
Defensive.
no paraform for this. Oh, I see. I just take it. Okay. My ball. Let me
Those balls.
Oh,
A dot.
AOE incoming. Stay away from lines.
Let's track this one. I'll come up next.
Which one you want, Stonks?
Defensive.
give me this one. Perfect.
Spark on me. I'll get the one in the back here. Each of the balls. Cool. All is healthy. But not too awesome.
Dogs, next set of lines. Can you drop an AMZ?
Yeah.
AOE incoming. Stay away
2,
from lines.
1, going.
Oh, here.
Thank you. It's out of walls.
Good.
Give me that one, Ook.
Yeah. As long as my spark spawns
Defensive.
on this side.
I see. So two of us get it. We gotta pump this. 2 guys. Last about 8 seconds or something, maybe. I'll get this one over here too.
Get those orbs. Look the up.
AOE incoming.
Else has got 1 stack here. Should be okay.
Can't keep this shaman alive. I don't know.
I think the shaman's probably broken. Look at the damage.
I haven't seen him pop a single health pot. I want to
Yeah,
check
he's got
healing.
balls all
Healing
around
done.
too. He's tall.
He hasn't popped a single health pot all dungeon.
That's okay though. His overall damage is the lowest too.
No paste.
Is it me?
Good
It's me. Come on now. Drink it.
luck, brother. Do you need those?
I can't trade them, bro. Sorry.
Oh, eye level. That's okay. Don't remember. Just forget it. That's sweat. That was fun, guys.